Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG, giving your AI an instant access library. Imagine you have an incredibly smart friend. Let's call them our AI brain, a large language model or LLM. They know a lot about everything, trained on tons of internet data. But sometimes, when you ask them a very specific, up-to-the-minute, or niche question, they might 1. Guess, make up something that sounds plausible but isn't true. We call this hallucination. 2. Lack specifics, not know details about your company, your project, or the very latest obscure research. From a developer's perspective, this means our AI applications might give unreliable answers, which isn't good for our users. This is where Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG, comes in. Think of RAG as giving our AI brain its own personal, incredibly fast library and a super-powered research assistant. Instead of just answering from its general knowledge, RAG enables your AI to 1. Look up specific, trusted information from a source you provide. 2. Use that fresh information to formulate a much more accurate and reliable answer. As a developer, RAG allows you to build AI applications that are grounded in facts you control, making your AI far more trustworthy and useful for specific tasks. Before your AI can look up information, you need to build its library. For developers, this involves a few key steps. 1. Gather your data. Collect all the documents, PDFs, articles, internal manuals, or database entries you want your AI to know about. This is your custom knowledge base. 2. Chunking. Break down these large documents into smaller, manageable pieces, like individual paragraphs or short sections. This makes them easier to search. 3. Vectorization and storage. Convert these chunks into a special numerical format called vectors. Think of vectors as unique digital fingerprints that capture the meaning of each chunk. These vectors are then stored in a vector database. Imagine a super organized library catalog, where all similar ideas, their fingerprints, are stored very close to each other. Now that your library, vector database, is set up, here's what happens when a user asks a question. 1. User query. A user asks your AI application a question, e.g., what's the return policy for item X? Single quote. 2. Query vectorization. Your AI takes that question and converts it into a vector, its own digital fingerprint. 3. Intelligent search. Your AI then uses this question's vector to rapidly search your vector database. It finds the document chunks whose vectors, meaningful fingerprints, are most similar to the question's vector. Essentially, your AI isn't just thinking about the answer yet. It's acting like a lightning-fast librarian, finding the exact pages from your custom library that are most relevant to the user's query. With the most relevant information retrieved from your custom library, the final step is to generate the answer. 1. Context injection. The retrieved document chunks, those relevant pages, are given to your AI brain, the LLM, along with the original user question. This creates a rich prompt for the AI. 2. Augmented generation. Now, your AI doesn't just rely on its general knowledge. It carefully reads the provided context, your specific library information, and uses it to formulate a precise, accurate, and relevant answer. It's like giving your smart friend the exact page number from the book before they answer your question, ensuring they use the right facts. From a developer's standpoint, this means we're providing our AI with real-time, targeted knowledge. For developers building AI applications, RAG offers huge advantages. Accuracy and reliability. Asterisk drastically reduces hallucinations by grounding AI responses in verifiable facts. Up-to-date information. Asterisk your AI can access the latest information as soon as you update your library, without needing expensive retraining. Domain-specific knowledge. Asterisk tailor your AI to understand your company's products, services, internal policies, or niche industry data. Cost-effective. Asterisk no need to constantly retrain massive AI models. Just manage your knowledge base. Faster development. Asterisk build robust, intelligent applications quicker because you're leveraging existing AI models and augmenting them with your specific data. RAG empowers you to create AI experiences that are not just smart, but also factual and contextually aware for your users. Where can you use RAG in your own projects? Smart customer support. Asterisk build a chatbot that answers specific product questions using your company's user manuals and FAQs, instead of generic internet knowledge. Internal knowledge base. Asterisk create an AI assistant for employees to quickly find HR policies, IT troubleshooting guides, or project documentation. Legal and medical assistance. Asterisk develop tools that can summarize or answer questions based on specific legal documents, medical journals, or patient records, with proper privacy handling. Personalized recommendations. Asterisk augment an AI's ability to recommend products or content by feeding it a user's specific past, interactions or preferences. RAG isn't just theoretical, it's a practical, powerful tool for any developer looking to build smarter, more reliable AI applications grounded in real data. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.